Hey guys, these are your acceleration notes. Let's just get into the definition of acceleration to start. Um, Acceleration is represented by the lowercase a, and any time an object changes velocities, it's accelerating. It's just simply a word to say changing velocity. And there's two kinds of acceleration. There's a positive acceleration, which means it's an increase in velocity, and there's a negative acceleration. That means a decrease in velocity. A negative acceleration, you might have heard it called a deceleration before. Okay, so if somebody says decelerate, what they mean is negative acceleration in physics terms. The equation for acceleration is a, that's acceleration, equals Vf minus Vi. That means final velocity, your velocity at the end of accelerating, minus your velocity initial. That means your velocity at the beginning of acceleration. So Vf, let's say that's final velocity, and Vi, write it down, initial velocity. And that's divided by time. Time is important because I heard somebody say, "Oh, my car, I go from 0 to 60 in 5 seconds." The quicker you do it, the less time you do it in, the more you accelerate. All right. Last, the unit for acceleration is derived from the unit for velocity on top. That's meters per second is the unit for velocity. And the unit for time on the bottom. So meters per second on top from velocity, and seconds comes from time. Alright? So meters per second is a good unit for velocity. But what we usually do, instead of dividing meters per second by seconds, is we do this. We take the meters per second from the top and we multiply it by the reciprocal of seconds. And that gives us a more compact unit. And the one we're going to use is called meters per second squared as the unit for acceleration.